Hello guys, it has been so long since I actually sat down and filmed any type of vlog, so I am really excited to be here. I am going to try to be posting at least 2 to 3 times a week on here for my daily vlogs, so that's really exciting. Today I have quite a bit of work to get done. I need to clean my office, but I'm also in the middle of like cutting stickers, so that's another thing. I'm gonna flip the camera around in a second and show you like the state of my office. It is so messy. Ignore the background, like that's pretty neat. The rest of my office is not. So that's my first priority, is to make sure that I get that done. And then I need to cut stickers in the process. And yeah, all sorts of fun things today. I also am making labels for some of the bins that are back there. So let's get started with cleaning and then I will be back. Alright, so I just finished cleaning up the office. It looks so much better. This is a part of my vacuum because I also vacuumed everything and I'm really proud of it. But we got that all done, and then I finished my bookshelf. Let me show you it. So at the bottom is basically just paper, and then all along the rest of the bookshelf, everything is labeled. Up top is where I keep all of my tumblers. I am so happy with how it came out. It's gonna look so good when these are completely filled with packaging for the stickers. And I think it'll just make the whole office come together once those are filled up and you can see it and it looks nice. We have like blanks along this row, and then we have more like sticker stuff in this one. Yeah, it just turned out better than I could have imagined. So anyways, now that that's done, I'm going to let you guys watch like 5 to 10 minutes of just me cutting stickers, because I know that's what everyone finds intriguing about a sticker shop. So that's what's gonna happen now. Okay, so now that most of the sticker sheets are done, I'm just going to peel them off the mat and then put a new sheet on. I have multiple mats so that all I have to do is easily reload them once the sheet's done. So that's how I do it. Also, these mats are getting old, so I like to use a tool to stick them because I feel like it gets a lot stickier than if I do it with my hands. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. So I'm just going to do that for the rest of the
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
everything for today's video. We did a lot. We cleaned up the office, reorganized all of the bins with labels. We're really excited about that. Cut stickers. I am going to edit this vlog and continue cutting stickers. I don't really think you guys need to see too much more of that. I might make a video that's literally just like ASMR cutting stickers, like just the sounds of that. If you guys are interested, let me know. Anyways, I am going to wrap this up. I will see you guys in probably another video within the next couple of days. Bye everyone.